Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm done already cooking my soup, but I'm here outside taking a short video. Just got excited, the snow, so that all my plants is going to die. Got covered by the snow. Dang, Jesus Christ. Get that plants right there. To die. They're going to die. Alright. It's beautiful. Okie dokie. See ya. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making my garlic chicken macaroni and vegetable soup. It's snowing here today, so we make some soup to warm up your body. Soup is good for cold day, right? So this is all I have here. This is really simple recipe. I have this frozen mixed vegetables, and I have 1 cup of chicken, and I have one half cup of macaroni, and a lot of garlic, and cilantro. This is a dried cilantro, and black pepper, and a butter, and we're gonna need like 6 cups of chicken broth. That's it. It's so simple. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and drop the butter. And let's drop the garlic. The butter get burned up right away. Let the garlic a golden brown. Now let's add the chicken. Just put your fire on a medium. And now let's add the broth. And then let's simmer this until the water get boiled, and then we'll add the macaroni. Okay, the water is boiling, so let's add the macaroni. Then we'll simmer this until the macaroni is cooked. Okay, put your Okay, let's cover this up and we'll wait until the macaroni is cooked. Let's check our macaroni if it's cooked already. Okay, no more whites on the middle, so it means it's already cooked. So let's add the black peppers and oregano. And the vegetables. Now let's simmer them until the vegetables is cooked. And adjust your sodium. You can add more spice if you want. Alright, looks like my soup is ready. So turn off your heat and drop some of the cilantro. Save some for garnish. There you go. Stir it and ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my garlic, chicken, macaroni and vegetable soup. I garnish more roasted garlic on top. Also, I have a side of crackers. I only have multigrain crackers. You can side any kind of crackers. And my little dessert that I made last night until 2 o'clock in the morning. Alright, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. You can share my video to your friends and your family. Alright, see you next time. God bless.